model, 2011 Mercedes-Benz Vito TRAVELINER Factory Crew Cab Compact 113 2.2 CDI BlueEFFICIENCY 8 SEATER Automatic EAU Starstruck. Body, black, minibus. Mileage, 213583. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 136 HP. Transmission, rear-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This really does start and drive brilliantly. The engine is quiet and powerful and the gearbox is precise and very smooth. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in nice clean condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. This is a very well-maintained factory-fitted 8-seater minibus. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,675. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.